Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chun from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 17 hanggang November 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides sa ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilapс? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik diglig nag-umawa ng balik sa inyo. So, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sayo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit, give me information for the sign of Sagi. Taurus. Get more information, Angel Spirit Guides. So there's an Eight of Wands. Eight of Pentacles, sorry. There's an Eight of Pentacles. Focus, dedication, pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Kailangan mo daw mag-focus, kailangan mo mag-relax, kailangan mong porsigihin kung ano man yung pinagagawa mo. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new romance, no? May bagong pag-ibig na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng romantic expression, something ganun. Kumbaga magbibigay sa'yo ng emotional, ganun kumbaga kilig, di ba? It's new romance, no? Baka bagong pag-ibig to. Because there's an hermit card, there's some soul enlightenment. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo. No? May mga bagay na, kumbaga, magkaklaro sa'yo about sa spirituality. May mga bagay na malalaman ka about sa spiritual. At the same time, there's kumbaga, there's a soul contract either. And of course, there's Knight of Wands. So, there's slow and steady na panatiliing kalmado. Hindi mo kailangan maging padalos-dalos sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Kailangan mo maging maingat, maging matalino sa bagay-bagay, no? Let's see what is additional messages. There's a high priestess. So, there's an unexpected moment or there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na hindi mo inaadya. May mga bagay na inaadya mo pero hindi talaga nangyayari. So, ibig sabihin talaga, kumbaga, may mga bagay na biglaan at talagang na hindi mo inaasahan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's King of Pentacles. So, there's a security. So, ibig sabihin, i-secure mo about sa finances mo, no? Maging maingat ka pagdating sa finances mo. Huwag masyadong magastos, huwag masyadong maging padalos-dalos. Panatiliin mo laging kalmado pagdating sa finances mamaya. Kung ano gusto mong bilhin or kung ano gusto mong gawin. Kumbaga, this is time na kailangan mong i-secure yung finances. Because there's a devil card. So, see, may gumagawa daw sa yung devil energy dito na maaaring gumagawa sa'yo ng black magic involved, no? It's either katrabaho mo or pinapatrabaho ka. Let's see what is the Ace of Cups. So, there's a Knight of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there is an information, there's a success coming in for you pagdating sa love life, no? Talagang, hindi lang siya basta kilig, no? Talagang, there is a partnership involvement. And of course, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. Kailangan ito, kumbaga, magbibigay sa ito ng, motivation or something, kumbaga, inspiration na kumbaga about sa spirituality. Kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng clear and enlightenment dito pagdating sa bagay-bagay. Kumbaga you are also as a high standard and are also boss, no? Either maaring boss ka or some of you may business ka. So let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So there's a strength card. So ibig sabihin ng strength card dito, there's a strongest energy na kumbaga kailangan mo maging matapang, kailangan mo maging malakas, no? At kailangan mo maging mahinahon, no? Huwag kang padalos-dalos kasi as a tiger or lion, kumbaga hindi sila bigla-biglang umaariba or something, kumbaga sumusunggab, dahan-dahan yan. 'Di ba? Slow and steady. Kumbaga saka lang siya susunggab pag alam niyang okay na. Ganon. Kumbaga kailangan panatiliing kalmado ka. At kailangan mag-isip bago kumilos. Let's see what is the High Priestess. So there's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. So some of you, there's some, kumbaga, there's an unexpected financial windfall na, kumbaga, hindi mo inaasahan na magkakaroon ng profit or something na, kumbaga, unexpected na investment or something na, kumbaga, ito yung harvest time, unexpected harvest time. So let's see what is the King of Pentacles. So there's an Ace of Wands. So there's a new beginning coming in for you. So may bagong simula daw dito, no? Pagdating sa finances, kumbaga, there's a new beginning and fresh start. So let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles and the Devil card. What is the Eight? Oh my God, there's an everything is fine reverse. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka okay ngayon, no? Kumbaga, nahihirapan ka. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na nararamdaman ka. Ang bigat-bigat, hindi lang tungkol sa finances, no? Kumbaga, tungkol din sa health. So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups, because the Knight of Swords. There's the Sun card. So, there's a pure positivity. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga merong kaliwanagan pagdating sa love life mo. Pero pagdating sa health and of course finances, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka dito ng problema. So, let's see what is Hermit card in the Emperor. There's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Kumbaga, magsasuccess ka naman at the end of the time. Kailangan mo na talagang pag-isipan. Kailangan mo maging matalino sa pagdedesisyon. Kumbaga, ito ay magbibigay sa'yo ng klaro at talagang plakado na desisyon. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and the Strength card. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Two of Wands. So, there's a two-path. No? Tingnan mo yung the bigger picture of yourself or something na tingnan mo yung both side of situation. Tingnan mo yung pinaka-lighter side. No? Kailangan tingnan mo yung magandang kahihinatnan or something na magandang idudulot. No? So, let's see what is the High Priestess. And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a King of Wands. So, there's a control. So, kontrolin mo yung emotions mo, either yung finances. Kailangan maging matalino at kailangan maging, kumbaga, control mo yung eksena na to. Maraming kaganapan sa buhay mo na hindi mo ina-expect. Kumbaga, this is the moment na, kumbaga, kailangan mong kontrolin. Kung hindi, lahat ay mauubos. So, there is a King of Pentacles and of course the Ace of Wands, there's a Five of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, there's a doubt. Something talaga regret, no? May mga bagay na pinanghinayang ka, kaya kailangan mo maging wise at secure pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, suddenly, baka magkaroon ka ng, kumbaga, rejections and of course, failure. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a new fresh ideas, a new fresh moment na mangyayari. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang maging, kumbaga, mahinahon at maging maingat sa pagdedesisyon. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. So, ang outcome is the, my goodness. Ang outcome is the, oh my goodness, the Two of Pentacles. So, there's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance eh. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. There is a self-defense. So, sinasabi dito na kailangan mag-ingat ka kasi baka maaaring may kumuha ng information sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin baka gamitin yung mga bagay na yan or ideas mo, of course, information mo. Kaya kailangan maging control and balance ka dito, no? Kapag alam mong binabackstab ka or something, maging maingat. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings. Na lagi ka makikinig sa intuitions mo. And there's the Lovers. So, some of you, pagdating sa love life, okay ka naman. It was the Three of Wands waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo antayin, no? Okay, so, may mga bagay na kailangan mo antayan, no? Hindi mo kailangan maging padalas-dalas or something. Kailangan mo mag-isip, kailangan mo mag-antay. Kasi at the end of the time, kumbaga, may mga bagay na para sa'yo. May mga bagay na kailangan mo paglaanan or pag-isipan, no? Okay, so let's see what is additional messages for Love Oracle card. Let's see what is additional messages for Love Oracle card. And there's an heartbroken. O some of you kumbaga there's an heartbroken. And some of you there's a feeling loss or separation. And of course, there's an information by the Golden Mirror. Kumbaga, some of you, there's a narcissism or kumbaga, self-absorbent. Yung mga taong, uh, kumbaga, one-sided pagdating sa relationship. Kumbaga, gusto kabig lang ng kabig, ganun. Eh, maging maingat ka din. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Okay, there's actions. So, there's a beginning in higher self activation, no? Parang pinapatalas dito yung intuitions mo, and of course, your spirituality. Na kailangan mo mag-take ng action, kailangan mo kumilos, and there's a new beginning coming in for you. Parang ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mo maging matapang, maging malakas sa loob, no? And of course, maging malakas sa pakiramdam. And of course, there's a rejection, there's a losses, no? Kumbaga, marunong ka dapat maging, kumbaga, mag-reject din or something na humindi, no? Hindi puro oo. And of course, there's a losses, maraming mga bagay na nasayang. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's an opportunity to you na kailangan mo na mag-take ng action ng sa gano'n na hindi na umuulit yung mga bagay na nangyari. No? Para sa madaling salita, matuto ka na. So, let's see what is the fairy messages for you. What is the fairy messages? So there's spiritual teacher. So some of you, there's a spiritual talaga. So your life purpose involve teaching others and about healing and spirituality. So some of you kailangan nyo magpagamot or something magpalagaling, no? About sa spiritual. Kasi mamaya, there's a devil na may gumagawa talaga sa'yo dito, no? Ng black magic. So yun nga, kailangan mo talaga ng spiritual. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Let's see what is Archangel Michael. Lean on God and angels support you. See? Magtiwala ka kay God. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung ating mga angel spirit, kumbaga ginagawa yung katinutulungan ka at sinusuportahan ka kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. And of course, this situation is already resolved. Maaaring nangyari na to. So, some of you guys, kumbaga napagdaanan na or some of you mapagdadaanan pa lang. Kaya kailangan maging aware, maging maingat, no? And because you're on the right path, nasa tamang direction at nasa tamang wisyo ka. And of course, it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. So, kailangan mong kumawala sa mga, kumbaga, hindi na mabuti at hindi na talaga maganda na sitwasyon, no? Lalo-lalo sa mga toxic family or toxic relationship or toxic relatives or also toxic friends, no? Kailangan mo na umalis sa, there's an unhealthy. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance eh. No? Kailangan mo maging balance eh. Because there's an honesty at maging tapat ka lang sa sarili mo. Maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo. No? Because there's fear. Ito yung kailangan mong alisin, yung fear na to. Yun yung kailangan mong maging matapang, no? Kailangan i-encourage mo yung sarili mo na kaya mo yung mga bagay na yan, no? At kaya mong solusyon at kailangan mong para makakaalis ka dyan, naramdam mo, ganon. Kailangan mo ng motivations. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a spirituality. Alam nyo guys, ang lakas ng energy dito, there's a spiritual involvement, no? Tingnan mo, there's an activation. Or some of you talagang ina-activate about sa spiritual side para matutunan mo at malaman mo na there's something wrong about behind, no? There's something wrong about the spiritual. There's something, kumbaga, may sumpa na ginawa sa'yo, no? Additional messages. Or something kamalasan. So, I told you, there's a bath, cleansing. Kailangan mo cleansing theater. Of course, clarify. Naglinaw na to sa'yo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a right passage. So, some of you makakapasa ka talaga dito at matatapos mo tong problema na to. So, let's see what is Montology. Let's see what is the Montology. There's bring love in these situations. Nang mahalin mo kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, no, kaya mo yan. Ilagay mo sa isip puso mo na kaya mo yan. Malalagpasan mo yan. And of course, there's a communication is the key. So, some of you, kailangan ng communications. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong alamin. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pag-usapan. Diba? Let's see what is additional messages for this energy. Door to the personal healing and happiness. See? Magkakaroon ka at may pintuan talaga para magbukas sa'yo para sa kagalingan at of course, kaligayahan. See, kailangan mo lang talaga, there's a healing talaga. And of course, there's a blossoming abundance. Magiging masagana ang finances mo. And there's an indecision. Hindi ka makapag-decision ngayon, no? Maaaring kulang ka sa budgets kaya hindi ka makapagpagamot. Kaya hindi ka makapunta ng albularyo or something kasi may kumbaga kung nga kasi maraming kailangan kapag nagpagamot ka. So, ibig sabihin nagkakaroon ka ng indecision ngayon kasi kulang ka sa budget. So, let's see what is the chakra. There's an abundance. Kasi kung nasolusyonan, matatapos mo to, sunod-sunod na yung pasok na swerte sa'yo. Kasi kapag hindi mo yung nasolusyon at hindi ka nag-take ng actions, walang mangyayari. Kailangan mo talagang mag-take ng risk. Now, there's a blossoming abundance and there's an abundance. Talagang tina-clarify na may kasaganahan talaga na nag-aantay sa'yo. And of course, dito, there's a completion. Huwag mo antayin mahuli ang lahat, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a leadership. So, some of you, kumbaga, kaya mong mamuno, or kaya mong kumbaga maging, kumbaga, some of you baka kapitan or something na leader ng, kumbaga, there's a public servant, no? Kumbaga, there's a leadership involvement, no? In charge ka sa situation or something. And there's a flowers. So, some of you, kumbaga, there's a flowers daw na nire-recognize daw dito na magkakaroon ka ng blossoming talaga at magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, parang ano siya, kumbaga, may seasonal, no? Ang mga bulaklak, di ba, there's a season na mamumukadkad talaga yan. So, ibig sabihin, darating yung araw na time mo naman, no? Oras mo naman. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, let's see what is additional messages. Ano kasi sa dito, there's a breath of the cosmos. So, ibig sabihin dito, may will tie, will micromanaging the universe. Ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay sa'yo kung para sa'yo talaga yan. So, let's see what is the romance angels. What is the romance angels? Okay, keep on open-minded. So, ibig sabihin dito, panatiling mo open-mind ka sa lahat ng bagay, no? Usually, and type of expectations, no? Gano'n. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Messages for you. There's an acceptance. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin, may mga bagay na kailangan mong, kumbaga, itanggapin, no? At alamin, no? Na, kumbaga, nasa right decisions ka. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. And of course, ask and shall be given sa iyo. Ibig sabihin dito, ihingi mo sa ating poong may kapal, no? At ipagkakaloob sa iyo kung ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, 'di ba? Kung talaga ibibigay sa iyo. So meron tayong angel's answer, guys, ha? There's an angel's answer. So magkakaroon tayo ng question diyan. So kung may question ka, so, isipin mo na kung ano yung magiging question mo. Bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka na. Kasi dito tayo babase kung ano yung magiging sagot sa mga katanungan mo. So, be it. Bibilang na ako ng 1 hanggang 3, ha? 1. 2. 3. Nakapag-isip na lahat, ha? Okay, angel spirit answer. Give me an information to answer the questions. Ask for help for others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao. No? And of course, the situation will improve. No? Magbabago daw yung sitwasyon mo. No? Mag-i-improve na yan. Magbabago na. Kumbaga, mag-okay ka na. No? At malalaman mo na yung magiging kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Parang ganon. At kailangan mo daw ng tulong ng ibang tao para malaman mo yon. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, there's a 27. I am expressive. So, sinasabi dyan, your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. You value freedom of expressions and want to improve the conditions and people, whether in your community, country, and world at large. So, kaya mo silang, kumbaga, ini-express mo lahat ng mga bagay na nararamdaman mo. Lahat ng mga bagay na kaya mong gawin, no? At ang kaya mong ibigay. Kumbaga, nasa puso mo talaga na kayang-kaya mong baguhin at kayang-kaya mong ibahin yung nararamdaman, lalo-lalo yung conditions, lalo sa ibang tao, gano'n, kumbaga kayang-kaya mong ipakita sa kanila yung kakayanan mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? So, there's a Master of Life. So, sinasabi dito with the Master of Life, I dedicated my strength to the divine within me. aligning myself with the truth sovereign of my life. My ego step aside as listen to my inner voice and accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of life. I live in abiding humility and grace and love for the glory of God. So, ibig sabihin dito talagang natutunan mo na no? Natutunan mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo na may mga bagay na para sa iyo at may mga bagay na hindi para sa iyo. Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo na i-surrender kay God, no? Na nalaman mo na yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi sa lahat ng oras panalo ka. Hindi sa lahat ng oras makukuha mo yung gusto mo. May takdang panahon para sa iyo at may mga takdang panahon para sa pagkakataon na ipagkakaloob sa iyo. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 17 hanggang November 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. Maraming salamat Sagittarius for this wonderful reading. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!